In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make style changes on Squarespace 7.1. If you have ever wanted your Squarespace site to look a little more like your brand, style changes are the place to start. The good news is that Squarespace 7.1 gives you control at two levels. You can update global settings, like site-wide fonts and colors, and you can also fine-tune individual blocks or sections when you want a specific part to look different. First, log into your Squarespace account. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct site dashboard because you will be editing the live structure of your website from there. Once you see your site management screen, you are ready to open the editor for the page you want to change. Next, open the Pages panel and select your page. This is where Squarespace lists the pages on your website. Choosing the right page matters because style options can look different depending on what you are editing, especially if your design includes multiple layouts. Click the page you want to update and allow the editor to load fully so you can clearly see the page content. Then, click Edit. This tells Squarespace that you are about to modify the design and settings for the selected page. After you click Edit, look for the editing interface, where you can interact with site elements and access style controls. Now click the paintbrush icon labeled Site Styles in the top right corner. This icon is your main entry point for style changes that apply across the site or across larger sections of your design. When you open it, you should see a side panel with style options. This is the area where you can adjust the overall look of your website in a consistent way. After that, adjust global settings in the side panel, including fonts, colors, and animations. Global settings are important because they help everything on the page feel like it belongs together. For example, changing fonts can make headlines and body text match your brand. Updating colors can unify buttons, links, backgrounds, and other elements. Adjusting animations can help the site feel polished and modern, without needing to style every single element one by one. Next, click on specific blocks or sections to change block-specific settings. This step is for when you want more control over a particular part of the page. Instead of changing the entire site style, you can select a specific content area, like a section with an image or a feature list, and then adjust its appearance based on the options available for that block. Take your time here and make sure you are selecting the correct block. You will usually see the relevant controls appear for the element you selected. As you make these changes, it helps to look at how the page updates in real time. This way, you can confirm that your font choices, color adjustments, or block styling are working exactly the way you intended before you move on. If something looks off, you can return to the global settings or adjust the block settings again. Finally, click Save. Saving is the step that ensures all your style updates are applied to the page and will remain in place. After you click Save, give the site a brief moment to update, and then review the page view to confirm everything looks correct. When you are satisfied with the result, you are done. And that covers everything you need to know.